So guys, ito na yung ating ginawang dough. Ginawa ko ito kanina. So umalsa na siya. So gagawa ako ng scotchada. Yun yung sabi ni Daddy traditional food daw to, you know. Making scotchada. More olive oil sa taas. Ayan. So, scotchada da, guys. Ginawa ko yung dough and then we press it like that. Nilagyan natin ulit sa lagyan. Bigyan natin kay Daddy. Ito na yung scotchada natin. I'll give it to her. Hey, Daddy.
Thank you.